I'd share something I found that's been working pretty good for me. This hole punch tool, pneumatic hole punch tool that I've been using to do these 3/16, 187 thousandths knockouts for plug welding. I've seen some folks, they weld through the primer, and I've done that too, but I've just never felt very comfortable with that. I always like to have a clean steel surface. So what I found was I took a number 7 200 thousandths drill bit and I flattened off the end. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I just took it on the bench grinder and I flattened it out. And it's 200 thousandths, 201 actually, so it's about 14 thousandths bigger than the 3/16 187 hole punch. So what I do is I take that drill bit and I just go and I run it in the hole before I weld it, and just kiss it. Just kiss the metal, so I'm not really removing any metal. I'm just taking the ecoat off, or the weld through primer if I'm going that route. And what it does, it takes a little bit of the ID of the 3/16 hole out, plus it spot faces the surface that I'm going to weld, so then I got a nice clean steel ID plus a nice clean steel surface. And then I feel more confident with the weld in that situation. Here, I'll give a demonstration. That's it. So the chips you're seeing is coming from the ID because I am taking some of the ID out of that hole. But the spot face that I'm doing is it's just kissing that metal. It's not removing much at all.